Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions, and in this video I'm going to go super quick just to enhance and make this high key image here really pop. These actions are perfect for backlit images like this, or images where you've shot on a white background and you really want that glowing high key image. So I'm just going to go and click the glossy high key workflow layers here. That's going to just set up everything I need to get started. If at any point you're unsure, or this is the first time kind of coming into these actions and how they work, please do watch video number 1 where I go through everything in so much detail, really explaining how everything works. So you can see just by playing that workflow, it's added all these layers in to really make the image pop. I'm just going to click on glow and add a little bit more glowing here because this image really deserves a nice glow. Rescuing the highlights, this is good if you've got any areas that are a little bit blown out that you want to kind of add a little more detail into there. Rescuing the shadows, this is going to deepen and darken any shadows there, adding some real contrast into your image, bringing them up. Let's just go through that there. Paint away the greys, if you've got any greys remaining in your image, in the background, perhaps if it wasn't evenly lit or anything like that, you may get some grey areas. And then the same for whiten, you can just dot this about. I'm going to play the contrast boost now, just to really make this image pop. And I'm going to come down here onto the paintbrushes, I think, and play the vibrance enhance just to add a little bit more toning into the skin. So I'm just going to dab that over there and to the bottom. Really pretty, and I think that's done. So literally going to turn the layers off to see where we were before and after. And that was a 1 minute edit, really quick, just to let that edit pop and finalize. You also have tints down here as well if you want to add that vintage look to your whites, which is completely different to the high key look, but still really beautiful. So you have those two options in there that you can use. There's also black and white. This will create a brand new separate image, so there's no chance of you accidentally saving over the original. Pop a bit of that contrast on there and a little bit of darken, so we have that lovely black and white there. Literally, these are all just clicks. And there we go. With the tint, without the tint. Lots of different options in here for you to play with, so wherever you are with your photography journey, wherever you are with high key images, this is the set for you because it will help you convert and edit these beautiful glowing high key images. If you shoot normal whites, perhaps newborn on white beanbag fabric, family on white background, and you're not doing the high key glow look, you want the more evenly lit look, please go for the LSP white linen collection on the website. This section, this action section here is really for those high key, dynamic, powerful images. And you can go grab this over at lsp-actions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.